17-year-old kitty starts acting like a kitten. You're just chock full of it today, aren't you, baby girl?